Hey guys, welcome back. I am Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and today I've got a real quick tip for you. So I'm under Big Chief here, the 97 XJ solid rear axle, pulling off the U-bolts that hold the axle to the spring perch. Now, I've got my good old grinder with the chop blade on, or cutoff wheel out here. The first one, as you can kind of see here, now the first one here, whenever I cut that off, it shot up out the hole, and this piece went flying. It's a wonder it didn't kill me. Now on the second one here, you can tell that I started to cut, and I've cut probably 3/4 the way to 7/8 the way through the bolt itself. Now here's the tip. Even though these bolts are rusted solid and there's no way I could get this nut off the top, by having it pre-cut a little bit right here, by having it pre-cut mostly through right here, but still strong enough to hold, I can take my wrench, put it on top, and break that bolt without having this thing shoot through. I'm going to show you that right now. So you saw that pop loose, nothing shot anywhere and hurt anybody. So quick tip, when you're cutting U-bolts off, I do have pressure on the axle holding it up against the springs, so that hopefully that's not wanting to just come apart that way. But if you take that chop saw, cut most of the way through, and then put your wrench on top and use that to break the bolt, easy peasy, nobody gets hurt. Hope you guys enjoyed that today. I know this is a short one. Just a little tip, something I just figured out I thought I'd share with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.